it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Harmo back with another freaking video. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you're not. Today I'm going to take y'all along my nail appointment. Y'all, it's Christmas time, so y'all know I'm finna get some festive nails. I'm going to my girl Savannah. Y'all gonna meet her when I get there, so that's where we're going. These are the nails before. Yeah. I had these since Thanksgiving. The only thing that I messed up was this one. Everything else still on there, no lifting, no nothing, period. She gets down, she don't play. I'm gonna put her Instagram right here. Check my girl out, she's the sweetest person ever. Yeah, I guess y'all can watch me drive for a little bit, just a little bit. Had to skip the line, though. I'ma keep that shit stacked till my fucking time goes.
Niggas throw you in the shade cause they wanna shine, no. Nigga treat a nigga like he John Doe, nah. This is all I ever wanted, nigga. Praying for your happiness, hope that you recover.
Yo,
This is for
take a shot for me. Shot for me. I'm selfish. I want you out of myself, I swear. I want you out of myself, I swear. I'm selfish. Here with my nail tech. This is she a little camera shy, y'all. Alright, y'all. I'm here with the nail tech. This is her. Hey. Make sure y'all follow her. She finna show y'all the Instagram. Yeah. Yes. Period. Now I'm gonna just show y'all the process.
Never choking, always smoking dope. Fucking if they getting over, got a month of coke because the kid the coldest. Ain't changed, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid getting older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta smoke. Around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got no pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these records too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture boat. They look bro, hit this stick and start getting low. I spent time on the rest on the Lambo and didn't even know how to read them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise. I just period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I don't pipe her up. They my last and my last, I know I got up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run.
Keep the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. We can hit after he call me very fun. For this Christmas, I bought everybody. Lost and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof out the call it up for the sun. I broke and see it pop by 5,000 months. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run from my problems, we stacking up wallow and collar. I'm trying to get it mega book. See them triple little nigga, best watch your stuff. This top shelf, got 40 designer belt. OPF, still let the new BM up. Think I'm done, got phones in my right or left. And you drink up the car, ain't no key enough. Just put lost in they pockets, get out of there. Ain't gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep it spell. On the stuff because I'm worried. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Young Scott, scrolling smoothly in the present. 150 flying, rich and mellow. But the game to his empty, look colors, the flavor to the temp. Yo, I am not a killer, but I'm tempted. I'm spending rate 5,000 to a pick.
Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I go.
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5, 6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy tigger. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no ass to the picture. Drop a couple racks, watch his ass get bigger. Tricking on licking, I'm looking at your nigga. If it's money right, he can eat it like a sticker. I ain't got time for you fake ass hoes. Talking all loud in them fake ass clothes. Fake ass shoes, match that fake ass cold. I'm the realest bitch ever see snake ass hoes. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Dirty ass dance, baby girl, you need to back up. It's your Miami and I can't run my skate up. Tired ass hoes in my page tryna check us. Brand new chain, city girls going platinum. I keep a baby God, I ain't fighting with no random period. You bitches weak, it's just serious. I let him take the pussy, now he acting all delirious. Did it dash in the rubber, I can straight the period. You see my number in his phone, now you acting curious. He gon' buy me Gucci if I ask for it. He'll take the nigga rockin' Tom for it. I bet your little sister wanna look like me. I bet your little brother wanna fuck on me. Hood bitch, hood pussy, I ain't average. He can't come around with all that cabbage. Pussy bitch,
Niggas don't use that for real though. Like,
I'm a dog, but I still wanna party. Things felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get back. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the vibe, billing out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby yelling, yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a dog, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Yuki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? Yeah. Fuck they gon' say now? I'm watching these bitches, I'm up in a stay now. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, oh, let me go find me a pen. Wearing lead, now I'ma put it to bed. Barbie bitch with her Barbie clip. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back so he losing it. And I hit the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got him ripped. It ain't over it, me and Barbie, bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a dog, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Yuki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag.
alright y'all, that's it for this video. These are the nails. I love these nails. Comment down below what y'all rate these nails. Would you get these nails? Are they giving or what? They are. Thank you. Yes, I'm gonna be looking so good. Get into the details. I need y'all to pay attention. Go ahead and take y'all picture for Inspo. Alright y'all, that's it for this video. Make sure y'all follow her on IG. This is her IG once again. Go support her. Oh, I'm sorry. Make sure y'all like and comment on her recents because that's my set. Yes. She is a very affordable nail tech. So if y'all need somebody in the Atlanta metro area, make sure y'all hit her up. Yeah. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow because I'm posting consistently, as y'all can see. Yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed. If y'all like videos like this, make sure y'all let me know in the comments down below. Give me some ideas of what y'all want to see this Vlogmas, because December is wrapping up super fast. It's almost Christmas. With that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Get into the wall. Yes. And I'll catch y'all next time. And I'm out. Bye, guys. Hold on, look at the nails on the top. Okay, bye for real.
Let it snow, let it snow.